egg in vinegar. Go ahead, let it go.
Not crack.
It didn't crack, that's good. All right.
It's fizzling.
Is it fizzling? I don't know how long this takes.
You see that?
Or if we have all the ingredients in
You
it.
see that?
Oh yeah, there's bubbles.
Coming up. The bubbles are the egg.
Yeah.
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 The ship was an egg.
So there's a chemical reaction with the white vinegar and the eggshell. And supposedly, this is our...
And cleaning the egg.
You think it's cleaning the egg?
Yep.
Yeah.
30, 3.
Supposedly this makes a bouncy egg or a squishy egg. But we're gonna experiment and see if it works.
Bouncy or squishy.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Yeah. Okay. And we'll come back to this in a little while. Okay. I could do that. So our egg
We go get it
has
so
sat,
We go get it switchy.
and we found that it's squishy.
Send it to honey.
We will. And it's been overnight. So we're gonna take it out of the vinegar now.
It's full of water.
Yeah.
You can feed her. Here.
Yeah.
It's bouncy.
It bounces. Oh, it does bounce.
Yeah, it's switchy.
It
Switch.
jiggles.
Bounce. Switchy, switchy, switch. You make it a potion.
Making a potion. Okay, we're gonna have to wash your hands good.
Bubble
It's like
potion. So
So I don't know if you could crack it now, but maybe we'll play around with that later, see what the inside looks like. Okay,
just cut it.
try your hands off. So that was our egg experiment. And I think it sat a lot longer than it was supposed to, but it's still pretty cool.
Cut.
Okay, so we're gonna see what's in our squishy egg. Is it still an egg? Do you think it's raw?
It's switchy.
Do you think it looks like a regular egg inside, or do you think it's cooked?
It's switchy.
It's squishy? Do you think it's gonna ooze all over the place?
Just the bowl.
You think it's gonna ooze in the bowl? All right, let's find out. You ready? We're gonna pierce it, if we can. Oh. Oh, it's still an egg.
See?
Still an egg. There you go. Ugh. What do you think, buddy?
No, it's still an egg.
Still an egg, yeah. I didn't think it would cook it. But now we're left with the egg membrane, right? That's the membrane for the egg.
What's that?
The membrane is a coating underneath the eggshell. So, there we go. Now we know. Right? What was in the bouncy egg? Still an egg.
But it's
Right?
squishy egg.
It's a squishy egg. Yeah, it was a squishy egg.
So I need to make another squishy egg to bounce.
We'll make another one later, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.